Ever since the Farming Renovation Act passed in December of 2018, the United States has set off a worldwide legal cascade convincing other countries to change their stances. Yet even since the mid-20th century, CBD extracted from hemp has been legal nationwide in Kuwait according to some legal experts. However, laws and regulations change all the time, so let's find out if CBD is legal in Kuwait at present. Hemp is considered any natural plant high in over 10% cannabinoid content and low in THC. Researchers have come forward in the country to tout that CBD could be used to deal with the region's growing incidence of health conditions, including drug addiction, poor sleep, and chronic pain. Currently, CBD with prohibitively high THC is still unlawful, however, it may be legal under local legislation. The legality almost entirely depends on local movements, meaning that all general consumers should be cautious where they source their supplements. The Health Ministry claims that incorrect claims made about the wellness benefits of CBD could potentially result in legal action. Is CBD legal in Kuwait? In Kuwait, drug policy is very severe. Possession of even trace amounts of THC content could result in 2 years jail time. Depending on the substance, the region, and the amount, drug possession could be penalized by the death penalty. Kuwait law concerning drug use has largely not changed since the 60s. Even those who are not consuming THC, yet are in proximity to those who are, could be charged. They could risk facing up to 7 years of jail time for socially facilitating the use of the drug. In this sense, CBD remains in legal limbo within the state. Travelers coming to the country with CBD products should be incredibly cautious. It's recommended that they carry a prescription for the supplement on hand at all times. Unlike other countries in the region, Kuwait's drug penalties are often applied liberally to consumers. The state has recently been attempting to cut down on drug crime, meaning that it's imperative all consumers be careful. Often, legal officials don't understand the difference between an illicit substance and the non-addictive, non-psychoactive CBD supplement. The safest, most legal, and most effective way to routinely secure CBD is currently through online vendors. Many online vendors stick closely to the harshest international regulation concerning the sale of CBD. In order to market to the most customers around the world, most vendors adhere to the countries whose laws are the most severe laws concerning drug policy. When in doubt, Kuwait consumers and vendors should reach out to legal experts in the region to better understand the confusing network of national law concerning CBD. Take a look around happytea.com to explore a range of healthy, legal, and clean CBD products.